Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to make an intro. Now, this is what I'm going to be using, and all these apps are free, 100% free. Now, I am going to leave the possibility for you to use Intro Maker. If you want, you can choose a template. I will make like a demo of how this works. So, you download this, and I'm just going to use this one, okay? And there we go. So now I'm going to change the title font, and I'm going to change this to, Logo Guy 1014. That's the name of my current YouTube channel. My current channel name. I'm going to stay free. And you see, there's this little Intro Maker thumbnail thingy. I am not going to pay for this. There's actually a way you can go around this. So you got this, then you proceed to save. Up in that area is the cancel button, if you know that. I've had to look at so many ads, it's come to the point I know exactly where it is. Now, as you can see, here it is. Now, we don't want that watermark, so what we're going to do is you can either crop it this way or crop it like this. Then go in here, put a 4:3 crop, and zoom in. Okay. Make sure you centered it. And if you want to, you can make this 16:9. It'll just stretch it a bit more. I'll leave it like that. Okay. It'll save it. Now you go into iMovie, and I'm going to delete this real quick. You are going to take the movie and create that. Go into videos, recently added, and I'm going to use this for sound. So you press the 3 dots and you press audio only. And now it will include the audio if you want. Now, I'm not going to use this current template. I am going to show you another one that I'm going to make. What you are going to do is you're going to go and select the clip that you want to use. Like this, I have recorded. And you go to the end where there's all this extra unnecessary stuff from when you had to screen record it in. Now you go here, and right there, zoom in to make it level. I am incredibly picky on this. And you see it's not level on the top. You move it down. So it should look like this. Okay, I put that too low. So you press the magnifying glass, you tap on it, you press the magnifying glass in the video, and you center it, and that's perfect. Now, I really hate the music that's on this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add it, and I am going to select this. Again, audio only. And currently, because I have a microphone plugged in, I cannot hear anything here. So I'm just going to clip out the part where I edit it together. But I'm going to delete that for now. Now, I would recommend either going on downloading apps for YouTube video templates, or I'm pretty sure YouTube has them too. So you go here, you find this. Now I'm going to split this, and I'm going to split it again, and go into text, and you can choose whatever you want. I'm going to use reveal. Now, the normal text I think looks really ugly, so press on the globe, and select Cool Fonts. If you're wondering what Cool Fonts is, it's this app. And you download it, it's 100% free, you can select everything. But, I mean, you can also use Soundboard for sound effects. I like using it, and I use it all the time for little iMovie videos. I'm going to clear this up. And I'm going to select that and say, don't forget to subscribe. It's not working. Why? Yeah, it just glitched. That will occasionally happen to me, so you just need to go back in, tap reveal, and say, oops, iMovie just crashed. I've noticed with iOS 13.5 it crashes a lot. I'll just leave it that way. And right here when it fades, I'm going to put a filter here. I really like using the Silent Era filter. And there we go. Now I'm going to go back into Reveal, and I'm going to type in my current channel name. I'm going to switch back to English. And there we go. Now I'll clip to the part where I have the music put in. Okay, I'm back. So I did have to change it a bit because I did make some mistakes. It's really hard to do everything perfectly while filming. So some stuff will be off from the previous scene, but I just put the music in and I trimmed it to length, and here we go. Now what you're going to want to do, also that I really forgot to mention, is if you want to do add different music, change the audio level. Just tap the microphone thingy and it will mute it. So you will not have two songs playing at once. Now you go to the end of it and then you choose fade and do a fade like this. And that will allow you to fade out like this. Now press done. Press save and save video, and choose the highest version that you can get. You may want to allow making videos in 720p, and I will show you how you do that. Okay, so now I'm in settings, and you need to enable 60 FPS export. I highly recommend turning that on because it means you can do stuff in 60 FPS. Now all you need to do is just scroll down to the bottom and it'll be there. Now, with that out of the side, I will now go into Photos and select it. And there you go. I just exactly copied this. Basically. You will notice some stuff's a bit off, and that is because I changed it a teeny bit here. And you see here, it's a bit different, so I did not exactly copy, but editing-wise, I copied the way I had tried editing it. And there's the video, if you want to see, of me explaining how I did everything. 7 minutes, so now I'm going to edit that. That guacamole was good. It's always good when it's homemade. But basically, that's how you do it. You just take any song you want, and you can make any video you want with it. And then I will also be showing you how you make stretched videos with CuteCut and remove watermarks. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.